Hey guys, welcome to our channel. And if you want to know that how to connect Razer Blackshark V2 Hyperspeed to Xbox Series X in 2025, so this video is for you. So this is an updated guide, but there's something here that you have to know and keep in mind that unfortunately connecting the Razer Blackshark V2 Hyperspeed wirelessly to an Xbox Series X isn't possible, because the headset uses a 2.4 GHz dongle, but Xbox only supports officially certified Xbox wireless headsets via the radio. It doesn't recognize the Blackshark's dongle. Attempts to use USB-C to 3.5mm adapters on the controller fail. Xbox doesn't support audio that way. So what does works for Xbox? So connection type: if you have wireless 2.4 GHz dongle, then it won't work. Xbox doesn't support that dongle. Wired via USB-A cable doesn't work because Xbox won't output audio over USB. 3.5mm jack on the controller won't work because doesn't support headset audio. Use Xbox certificate headset, so it will work for you because required for Xbox wireless audio. So what you can do instead, stick with a wired Xbox certified headset like the Razer Blackshark V2X 3.5mm, Kyro Pro, Microsoft Xbox wireless headsets, or SteelSeries, Arctis, or etc. Keep using your Hyperspeed on PC or PlayStation switch via its dongle, and for Xbox Play use a separate headset. Stream Xbox audio to your PC, connect your Hyperspeed to the dongle on your PC, use the Xbox app to stream Xbox gameplay or audio to your PC and listen that way. Some users have had this work actually. Now, recommended Xbox compatible Razer headset: that if you are set on Razer and Xbox, consider the wired Razer Blackshark V2X. It connects via 3.5mm directly to the Xbox controller and works seamlessly. So that's pretty much all thing. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.